Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to spot fake friends. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. 1. They only get in touch when they are in need. Only when they need something from you will fake buddies get in touch with you. They will only get in touch with you if you can provide them with something they need, whether it be a favor, money, or a shoulder to cry on. True friends, on the other hand, will make an attempt to get in touch with you even if they have no need of you. They will check in with you to see how you're doing. 2. They don't appear to be genuinely curious about your life. True friends actually care about you and want to know how things are going in your life. They'll inquire about your day, your household, and your interests. On the other hand, fake buddies won't show any interest in your life. They won't inquire about your well-being or recent activities. They solely discuss themselves and their personal life. 3. They're always unfavorable. Genuine friends will support and motivate you to reach your full potential. On the other hand, fake buddies will be negative and will make you feel bad. They'll talk exclusively about the bad things in life and discourage you from achieving your goals. They'll deplete your vitality and emotionally depress you. 4. They are absent from your life at crucial moments. When you need them, true friends will always be there for you. They'll be a sympathetic buddy, a listening ear, and a shoulder to weep on. On the other side, fake pals won't support you when you need them. They won't make the effort to help you or be there for you when you need them. They won't be there. 5. They don't treat you fairly. True friends will tell you the truth, even if it is uncomfortable. Even if it hurts, they will be honest with you. On the other hand, fake pals won't be sincere with you. Even if it is untrue, they will tell you what you want to hear. They won't be sincere about their goals or affections for you. 6. They disregard your personal boundaries. True friends will stay inside your limits and not cross them. They will respect your right to a private life and refrain from interfering. On the other hand, fake buddies won't respect your boundaries. They won't give you the privacy you require and will frequently intrude on your personal life. In conclusion, it can be challenging to recognize false friends, but by being aware of these 6 straightforward strategies, you can safeguard your emotional well-being. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.